the shop where I just got the Gemco cargo box for my Pro XP RZR. Now you can have a look in, this ain't no little box. This box is designed to accumulate all usable space in the cargo area. Now this box comes in a textured finish, so it matches the RZR real good. It looks real good. It's got the lock and ride plungers already installed. There's just two of them. There's one on each side. It's got two latches with a locking hose, so you can lock it closed if you want to. And it's got a seal that goes all the way around the lid, and it's got a lip around the bottom here to keep it sealed up and keep stuff out of it. And this lid pivots right here. This is about 8 to 10 inches from the back, which is good. That gives you a little bit of space back here, and then the lid pivots here. But anyway, let's get the stock Polaris boxes out and get this installed. And the stock Polaris boxes, when I first got this machine, I put them in there, and I thought I'd like them having two separate compartments, but there's a lot of wasted space. There's nowhere near as much space in those two boxes as they are in this one. Now this Gemco box is kind of tight going in. You've got to lift it up and just bring it in at an angle. And once you get it in, just kind of wiggle it a little. Make sure them lock and ride plungers fall all the way down in them holes. Box sitting in place, I took me a piece of wire, wrapped it around my spare tire carrier, just hold the lid up for me. With the box in place, you can reach the end of the box, spin your lock and ride plungers just a little, and just latch them down. Kind of hard to get it out. But anyway, with it locked down, now it can't go nowhere. Two boxes. I had everything that I'm fixing to put in this, and they was pretty much plumb full. I got my toolbox, my spare belt, my plug kit, 3/4 inch ratchet and socket set, snatch block kit, little air compressor, just a little rope just in case, breaker bar with a small extension and a socket, and this is a nut socket, so it's got two different sizes. I got a squeegee for the windshield for washing it off. I'm going to go ahead and put this little cooler in here. And it'll actually fit a quite a bit bigger cooler, so I think I'm going to get me another cooler. And that was my main reason for getting one of these larger boxes, is so I've got somewhere for coolers. Because before, in those two boxes, the two Polaris boxes, I didn't have no room for nothing like that. And I could have put a cooler on top of this spare tire carrier, but if I did that, it's so tall you can't really get nothing out of it. But with it in this box, all I gotta do is lift it up, open the lid, get what I want out of it. Now, as you can see, even with the addition of the cooler, there's still quite a bit of room for hoodies, rain gear, whatever else. And like I say, I think I'm gonna get a little bit bigger cooler. That way I got a little more unpacked. That box is a little bit taller than the Polaris box too, and where it's flat all the way across, it just makes more room. See that gap between them two boxes there? Every bit of that's wasted space that's no longer wasted with the Gemco box. But anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the trails.